The IPAC Hub presents a case scenario. This is part 2 of a simulated situation. An update to the unfolding situation in a local home is provided. Update 1. It is Friday morning at 11:30 a.m. 6 residents on the PSW's floor and 4 on another floor are now symptomatic. A kitchen staff who is responsible for setting up the dining room before meals calls in sick and is seeking testing. All 10 symptomatic residents are swabbed for COVID-19 and the allowable amount for multiplex. 4 of the symptomatic residents have direct antigen tests done for influenza A, all of which come back negative. PSW number 1 informs the long-term care home of a positive result and is diagnosed with COVID-19. Mutation testing came back and the sample is indicative of the Delta variant. PSW number 2 informs the long-term care home of a negative COVID-19 result as well as negative results from the rest of her family. More information will follow. Update number 2, Saturday afternoon at 1:30 p.m. One of the residents who received a negative direct test receives a positive multiplex respiratory virus, PCR, for influenza A. 5 residents returned positive for COVID-19. There are now 20 symptomatic residents on the floor and 15 on the 2 other floors of the home combined. More information will follow. Update number 3, 20 days later. In consultation with the Public Health Unit, the respiratory outbreak has been declared over. 12 cases of COVID-19 were confirmed among residents. No other staff were affected. 30 cases of suspected influenza occurred, with 1 resident still receiving acute care. This brings us to the end of the updates. And now, it is important to consider what is the communication plan? What control measures might continue? All the updates are provided, and this is the end of the situational details. What will be done in follow-up?